If you're looking for a healthy, nutritious, low-carb diet, this tofu korma turned out absolutely delicious. It's air-fried and cooked in coconut sauce. Do give it a try. Welcome to Shine with Shobs. This channel is all about making you shine with my healthy diet and building your emotional strength. So if you're new to my channel, please subscribe for more new videos on staying healthy and thinking healthy. For this korma, I'll be using organic tofu which I got from Costco. It comes in 4 packs of 16 ounce each. That's 1 pound. I'll be using 1 packet, cutting the end and draining the water. Since we need tofu dry, I'll be pressing the tofu in order to remove the moisture. An easy method is use a cutting board and a paper towel and lay the tofu on top of the paper towel. Place another paper towel, then place heavy vessel on top to remove extra moisture. I'm going to let the tofu rest for half an hour and then air fry tofu. Not everybody likes the taste of tofu, so today I'm going to make it in a rich, creamy coconut sauce with curry leaves, ginger and garlic. It's going to taste delicious, so let's get started. After 30 minutes, you can see how paper towel has soaked in a lot of moisture. You can even leave it for an hour. I'm gently slicing the tofu horizontally and vertically. You can see how I like the pieces to be thick. You can cut or slice however you like. In a separate bowl, drizzle in olive oil, add turmeric powder, coriander powder, red chili powder and some salt. I like to marinate the tofu before being air fried. This will add in some texture, color and taste, and it will taste delicious. And I like to keep the consistency as pan fried and keep it aside while we make the coconut sauce. Heat a heavy bottom pan, drizzle in some olive oil, spread it around. Add in the green chilies, ginger and garlic. Give it a good stir. Now add in the curry leaves. Always stir the curry leaves for an extra flavor. Now stir it for a couple of minutes before adding the red onion. Cook the red onion until they are translucent. Now add in the ground spices like turmeric, coriander, red chili powder and salt. Keep stirring until the raw smell of the spices goes away and it blends with the onion, and cook the onion until it's little caramelized. Once it's done, add in the pureed tomatoes. I've used 2 tomatoes. The acid in the tomatoes actually helps deglaze the pan, so make sure to scrape all the goodness. I'm going to let it cool down and puree the mixture. In the meantime, I'm preheating the air fryer for 2 minutes. Once done, place the pieces of tofu one by one. Make sure not to overcrowd it. I don't want the pieces to be super crispy, just the pan fried consistency, so I'm going to air fry it for 8 minutes under 380 Fahrenheit. While it's air frying, let's puree the onion tomato mixture and add it into the pan. Since it's already cooked, we need only a minute or 2 to heat it up. Then I'm adding the coconut milk from the can. You may use fresh coconut milk if you have. This is going to create the magic. Korma is nothing but a thick gravy which consists of any vegetable braised with yogurt or cream. Today I'm using coconut milk. Add in some salt according to your taste. Let it simmer for a couple of minutes until it gets thick. Perfect timing. The tofus are done and they look amazing. Look at the texture, the color. They are golden brown and it's perfect, just the way I want it. It's not too crispy, just the way I would have done it in pan. It's even better with less oil. Now I'm going to drop these beauties one by one into the thick, rich, nice, creamy coconut milk gravy. Look how beautiful they turned out. I'm going to plate it and then garnish it with roasted cumin powder, coriander leaves, and a little bit of lime juice for some tanginess. This is going to enhance the flavor. This tofu korma not only looks mouth-watering but turned out absolutely delicious. Look how softly they cut through the creamy coconut texture. Those who hate tofu, do give it a try. You're going to love it. See you all with another nutritious recipe of mine. Stay tuned and don't forget to shine with Shobs.